Dear students, welcome back to our new lesson for the subject of accounting second paper in the chapter 4, that is capital of joint stock company. In short name it is called share issue of the company. This is the lesson number 2 for this chapter. I think you are ready to take my new lesson from your accounting learning workbook level 2. That is the chapter of share issue. Okay, dear learners, now we can take your accounting learning workbook level 2 and accounting practice copy for writing and solving the creative question of share issue. Dear boys and girls, in the screen you are watching a new creative question for the chapter of 4, that is capital of joint stock company. It is also called share issue of the company. Just I read it, the creative questions of this chapter. Rata Company Limited was registered with an authorized capital of Taka 8 lakh divided into 80,000 shares of Taka 10 each. The company issued its 50,000 shares at the rate of 10% premium for allotment. Application for 60,000 shares were received in all, out of which 50,000 shares were allotted. Excess application money of shares refunded to the applicants concerned. Company paid by check Taka 20,000 for issuing of share and Taka 15,000 for underwriter's commission. Dear learners, you have seen a stem is available in the screen. From this system you have to require for 3 questions in the subject of accounting in this chapter. Requirement A, show the journal entries from the above information. Requirement B, prepare a bank account from the above information. Requirement C, prepare a statement of financial position of this company, that is Rata Company Limited. Dear boys and girls, I already discussed in the previous lesson, when share issues at a premium, then the totally 4 journals maximum are related in the issuing of shares at a premium. Number 1, when application money received from interested buyer or shareholder. For this transaction, the journal entry is a bank account debit, share application account credit. Second one, when share allotted to the share applicants with premium. The journal entry for this transaction, share application account debit, share capital account credit, share premium account credit. Number 3, when excess application money returned to the concerned applicants. The journal entry is for this entry, share application account debit, bank account credit. Or when share allotted to the share applicants and excess application money returned to the concerned applicants. Or journal entry of 2 and 3 if you want to record at a time Then the journal entry is share application account debit, share capital account credit, share premium account credit, bank account credit. Number 4, when paid for expenses of share issue or underwriter's commission, then the entry is expenses of share issue or preliminary expenses or underwriter's commission account debit, bank account credit. Dear students, I think you have understood the journal entries related to share premium of share issue. Dear learners, you are seeing in the slide or in your content, the stem is I repeat again, that a company was registered with an authorized capital of Taka 8 lakh divided into 80,000 shares of Taka 10 each. Dear students, you know the authorized capital of this company of 8 lakh. This amount is to be recorded only in statement of financial position. After writing this amount to be closed. But the company issued it 50,000 shares at the rate of 10% premium or allotment. But company issued only 50,000 shares from 80,000 shares at premium per allotment. Premium means the excess value of share, face value of share. You know, face value of share of this company is Taka 10. So premium 10% of face value, the premium is Taka 1 per share. And then application for 60,000 shares are received in all with the premium. From this transaction you have to write or you have to record the journal entries for requirement A, and out of which 50,000 shares are allotted. Okay, you know, when application money received from applicants concerned, then the journal entry is bank account debit, share application account credit. For receiving money 60,000 shares into 11 because it's related to premium amount, and 50,000 shares are allotted. This entry are treated as the follows: share application account debit, share capital account credit, share premium account credit, and excess application money were refunded to the applicants concerned. Then the entry is share application account debit, bank account credit. At last, company paid by check Taka 20,000 for issuing of share and Taka 15,000 for underwriter's commission. For this entry, you have to write preliminary expenses debit, underwriter's commission account debit, bank account credit. Now you can see in the slide and in the content journal entries. Dear students, I think you have watched in the screen. You can write in a hurry. For requirement A, journal entries. Number 1, you know, totally 5 columns are available in journal entries: date, accounts title and explanation, ledger folio or reference column, then debit Taka, another one credit. Number 1 journal, for this entry, for this stem, bank account debit, share application account credit, totally 6,60,000. You can write in the side of bank account 60,000 into 11, 60,000 into 11, total Taka 6,60,000. Second entry, share application account debit, share capital account credit, share premium account credit, Share application here 50,000 shares into 11, totally 5,50,000. And share capital account, always share capital account to be created with issuing share and face value of share. So you have to write in the side of share capital account 50,000 into 10, that is the amount of taka 5 lakh is credited. Share premium account credit, share premium only taka 1 for share. The total amount of share premium is found out in the multiplying issuing shares and premium per share. So issuing share 50,000 into 1, that is the amount of share premium is taka 50,000. Third entry, when excess application money refunded to the concerned applicants, this entry is share application account debit, bank account credit. So totally 10,000 shares are refunded. When application money received, then total 10,000 excess in multiplying 11, that is the amount of 11. So the third entry is for amounting 10,000 into 11, that is the amount of taka 1,10,000. The entry would be share application account debit, bank account credit. The last one, share issue expenses or preliminary expenses debit for taka 20,000 and underwriter's commission account debit for taka 15,000. Total amount of these expenses paid by check. So bank account credit total of taka 35,000. Dear students, I think you have written in your accounting practice copy. Dear boys and girls, I think you have completed the writing of journal entries for this creative question. Now you can go to the requirement B, that is the prepare a bank account. From this journal, you have to prepare a bank account. Okay, only bank account opened, that is a ledger account to be opened. You know, in reference column or moving balance format, totally 6 columns, 7 columns are available in a ledger. Date, account title, debit taka, credit taka, balance taka, that is debit balance, another one credit balance. So first account is share application. How is it possible? You can see in the previous page in journal entries, bank account debit, share application account credit for taka 6,60,000. So dear students, now when any ledger account is opened, then in account title column to be written in opposite account. So bank account debit, share application account credit. In account title column, the first entry share application for bank debited 6,60,000. Then the amount of balance is available at this moment 6,60,000. Again, you can go to the journal entries. In third entry, share application account debit, bank account credit for taka 1,18,000. So you have to go to bank account credit. For opposite account share application, again at once for taka 1,10,000 bank credit. So the posting is credited for taka 1,10,000, but your balance is available 6,60,000 in debit side. So debit and credit amount always to be deducted from the big amount. So 6,60,000 minus 1,10,000, that is the amount of taka 5,50,000 of debit balance at this moment. After that, you can see again in the journal, share issue expenses are primarily expenses debit, underwriters commission account debit, bank account credit total taka 35,000. Now you can go to bank account. In account title column, you have to write share issue expenses or preliminary expenses for taka 20,000 in credit side, because this transaction is credited for bank amount 20,000. So at this moment the balance amount of debit is taka 5,30,000. Always debit balance amount and credit posting is to be deducted from the big amount. So big amount of taka 5,50,000, then the 20,000 minus. So at this moment the balance of debit 5,30,000. Another one for bank credited underwriters commission. The bank credit for taka 15,000. In account title column, you have to write underwriters commission opposite account. So at this moment balance available 5,15,000. Okay, at the end of the year, or the end of the specific period of this company, that is a data company, bank balance is taka 5,15,000. That is the amount of current assets. Dear learners, I think you have written in your accounting practice copy requirement A and B. Now you can go to next page for writing the statement of financial position for Rata Company Limited. Totally amount 3 columns, detail, total, another one particulars. Now you can write in this way: Rata Company Limited statement of financial position as on 31st December 2017. First part, assets. Totally 4 heads are available in the asset side. Fixed asset, long-term investment, fictitious asset. But in this math, 2 assets are unavailable. So we can start using current assets. Only one amount is available in this company, bank balance. Just we have finished the bank balance amount 5,15,000. First you have to write in middle column, then you can go to outer column 5,15,000. Another asset available in fictitious, that is expenses not yet expired. 2 assets are available. Number 1, share issue expenses, that is preliminary expenses for taka 20,000. You can write it in middle column. Another fictitious asset, that underwriters commission for taka 15,000, and middle column. Total of fictitious asset is taka 35,000. So total amount of assets of this company, that is Data Company Limited, is taka 5,50,000. This amount is to be closed for verifying or for justifying capital and liabilities amount. If it is equal, then you are right. If it is not unequal, then you are not correct. So now you can rectify it. Now we can go to second part of statement of financial position, capital and liabilities. Totally 4 heads are available in this financial position. First head, share capital. Second one, reserve and surplus. Third one, long-term liabilities. Fourth one, current liabilities. But in this math, 2 heads are available. Number 1, share capital and reserve and surplus. Totally 4 capital are available in the company. First one, authorized capital, that is nominal capital or registered capital. In the first sentence or first line, you can see 80,000 shares at taka 10, that is 8 lakh for authorized capital to be closed in the middle column. Then issued and subscribed capital, company 50,000 shares at taka 10 each issued, so 5 lakh issued and subscribed capital to be closed in middle column. The last one, paid up capital, that is our scrap capital is stack of 5 lakh, but it's not closed, so you can take it outer column 5 lakh for capital amount. Second head, reserve and surplus. Only one amount in reserve and surplus is available, that is the amount of share premium in this math. So is stock of 50,000. You can take it from journal, you can see it in journal, 50,000. Total of capital and liability stack of 5,50,000. Okay, total amount of assets and capital and liabilities is equal, that is the accounting equation is correct, and you are proved the I is equal to L plus E. Dear students, I have finished the first creative question for this chapter for share premium at firm. Dear students, thanks for being today. Allah Hafiz.